हो गई ठीक है. Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
As a part of assessment
As a part of
7,
assessment 7,
I, Pankaj Asthana,
I, Pankaj
PGT
Asthana,
Chemistry,
PGT
Kendriya Vidyalaya
Chemistry,
Faizabad
Kendriya
Cant,
Vidyalaya Faizabad Cant,
is
is
presenting before you
presenting before you
a short clip
a short clip
on the chemistry topic
on the chemistry topic
potassium dichromate.
potassium dichromate.
In today's
In today's
deliverance,
deliverance,
we will include
we will include
the preparation,
the preparation,
properties,
properties,
structural details, and
structural
uses
details,
of
and
potassium
uses of
dichromate.
potassium dichromate.
Let's begin the
Let's
topic.
begin.
Here is potassium dichromate.
Here is
In this
potassium dichromate. In
compound,
this
the first of all,
compound,
the preparation method is given.
first of all, the
The
preparation
potassium
method is given.
dichromate is prepared from chromite ore,
Potassium dichromate is prepared from chromite ore,
right? And the potassium chromite ore,
and the
when
potassium
fused
chromate,
with sodium or
chromite ore,
potassium carbonate, here it is, in excess of
when
air,
fused with sodium or potassium carbonate,
then we
here
get
it is,
yellow
in
colored
excess
solution
of
of
air,
sodium chromate. Sodium
then we
chromate
get
is
yellow
filtered
colored solution of
and
sodium chromate.
acidified with sulfuric acid.
Sodium chromate is
On
filtered
acidifying,
and
the sodium
acidified with
chromate
sulfuric acid.
is now converted into highly
On
soluble
acidifying,
sodium
the
dichromate.
sodium chromate is now converted into
This
highly
sodium
soluble
dichromate
sodium dichromate.
is soluble, and so it is being
This sodium
converted into
dichromate
potassium salt, that is potassium
is
dichromate,
soluble,
by
and
treating it
so
with
it is being
potassium
converted
chloride.
into potassium salt, that is potassium dichromate,
And these
by
potassium
treating it
dichromate
with
are orange
potassium chloride.
crystals. They are being filtered, dried,
And these
and
potassium
stored.
dichromate are orange
So
crystals.
simply, the
They are being
chromite ore
filtered,
is
dried,
treated with
and stored.
sodium carbonate in excess of air.
Simply, the
Here it is.
chromite ore is
And
treated with
then
sodium
sodium
carbonate in
chromate is
excess of
formed,
air. Here
and
it is.
sodium chromate on acidification
And
gives
then
sodium dichromate,
sodium chromate is
and
formed,
sodium dichromate
and
is
sodium
treated
chromate
with potassium chloride to form
on
corresponding the
acidification
desired
gives
product
sodium
potassium
dichromate,
dichromate, which is orange
and
colored
sodium
crystals.
dichromate
And
is
this is the
treated with
structure
potassium chloride to form corresponding the desired product
of
potassium
potassium
dichromate,
dichromate.
which is orange colored crystals.
Potassium
And this
dimochromate
is the
and
structure
the yellow colored sodium dichromate, these two
of
structures
potassium
are
dichromate.
interconvertible.
Potassium dimochromate
These two
and the
structures
yellow
are
colored sodium
interconvertible.
dichromate, these two structures are interconvertible.
The yellow colored
These two
chromates
structures are
ions on
interconvertible.
acidification are converted into orange colored dichromate ions,
Yellow colored
and dichromate ions
chromates
on
ions on
adding alkali
acidification
gives
are
back
converted into
yellow colored
orange colored
chromite ion.
dichromate ions, and dichromate
So
ions
these are the,
on
this is called
adding
interconvertibility
alkali
of the
gives
structures
back
of
yellow
chromate and
colored
dichromate
chromite
ion.
ion.
Moving further,
This is called
the
interconvertibility
property,
of the
chemical properties
structures of
of
chromate and
potassium
dichromate.
dichromate. As a chemical, it has
Moving
large
further,
scale application
the
in
property
lab and
chemical
industries.
properties of potassium dichromate.
Here specifically
As
we
a
are dealing
chemical,
with
it
the
has large
oxidizing
scale
property of
application
the
in lab and industries.
potassium dichromate.
Here,
In acidic medium,
specifically, we are dealing with the
it strongly
oxidizing property
acts
of
as a
the
oxidizing agent,
potassium dichromate. In acidic
and we
medium,
give the
it
dichromate ion
strongly
undergoes
acts as a
reduction to form
oxidizing
chromium
agent,
ion. This dichromate ion or potassium
and we give
dichromate in acidic
the
medium
dichromate ion undergoes
oxidizes
reduction to form
iodide
chromium ion.
into iodine,
This dichromate ion or
H2S
potassium
hydrogen
dichromate in
sulfide
acidic medium
into
oxidizes
sulfur.
iodide into iodine,
Similarly, stannous ion,
H2S
stannous salt
hydrogen sulfide
into stannic
into sulfur.
salt, ferrous salt
Similarly,
into ferric
stannous ion,
salt.
stannous salt into stannic salt,
And this is how
ferrous salt
the simple
into ferric
mathematical details here are.
salt.
First equation is this
And this is
reduction of
how
dichromate ion into chromium ion.
the
And the
simple
second
mathematical
equation I
details here
minus
are.
into I2, it is a balanced one. On adding this
First
equation,
equation
the
is this
first one, and this
reduction of
iodide into
dichromate into
iodine,
chromium ion.
The 6 electron gets cancelled, and the addition, the resultant is the required chemical balanced chemical equation for the property called oxidizing property of dichromate ion, in which the iodide ion are getting oxidized into iodine. In the similar manner, hydrogen sulfide is getting oxidized into sulfur, stannous ion is getting oxidized into stannic, and ferrous salt are getting oxidized into ferric ions.
Hydrogen sulfide is getting
Fill
oxidized
ionic
into
equations can be obtained
stannous ion is getting
by
oxidized
adding the
into
two
stannic.
equations. They are called half
Ferrous salts are
equations,
getting
first half
oxidized
equations and
into
second half equations. Thank you
Fill
so
ionic
much
equations can
for
be
listening
obtained
it. I
by
hope it
adding
will
the two
be
equations. They
fruitful
are
for
called
your
half
learning
equations, first half
capacity and
equations and
capability.
second half equations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for listening.